Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with another good to go bag review. Now, we're actually quite late on doing this one. Yeah, our friend Top Notch put some money in me PayPal to do it quite a while back. I think it was like before my birthday even, so going back quite a while now. And he basically said Domino's and Papa John's are doing a good to go bag on the Good to Go app. So go get yourself one basically, see what one will include. And of course I'll look typical as always. Soon as he said that, none of them were coming up. None of them were available. So quite typical really. And when one did actually become available, it was just gone like that. Gone quick as anything. Someone had already grabbed it. Thankfully though, we have managed to bag one today from Domino's, but I think it's not entirely what you'd expect from Domino's. So Sue's popped off on the scooter down the road to go get it, because I mean, I think that's the one it's coming from. We've literally got Domino's right down the road, so not bad. Got me old chum with us, Benidorm Mike, the
clean shirt.
new shirt from last night, the new Leonardo da Vinci doing his artwork.
Well, could be.
Do you want to go get it and show him?
No, I've got a shirt.
Oh, big reveal when it's finished. Yeah, but that's something me and Mike are doing. I'm trying to teach myself how to draw a bit. Mike's trying to get back into his painting. Sue is just being Sue. Anyway, I'll see you when the food gets here. I am absolutely starving. Okay guys, so we finally got it after a bit of a palaver. Sue went down. I've just been playing on my phone waiting for Sue to get back. And because I've got Sue's email on my phone, I noticed an email saying your order's been cancelled. We haven't got enough surplus food. Which bit random, like if you knew you hadn't got enough in first place, like then why let us do the order?
Yeah, it said there was still 4 left, so it's not as if...
Yeah.
There were 5 originally, 1 went, there was still 4 left before I ordered. I ordered 1, so that should have still left 3.
So I mean, should be some left, like come on. If you ain't got enough food to do it, why you put it on there? Anyway, Sue's also had a palaver down there, because the lady on the deal were trying to claim it was the one in Finistrat, not here in Benidorm, even though on the order itself it says the Benidorm shop. But they've refunded us our money, so we've basically got it for free. even though before I found out it were for free,
Close it up, don't show it.
I looked at that box and I thought to myself, like, blooming hell, €4.90 for that is a bit shite. I'd have maybe paid €3 for that, but still. Right, let's see what we've got. I mean, it's quite greasy, so I'm like pulling stuff out. Straight up.
Yeah, put them on the lid.
Oh, everything's just falling out. I've sod it.
Move the paper out and then.
Yeah, I'll move the...
No, leave them in.
Right, so straight at the back we got some like chicken strips type thing, chicken dipper
They're meant
strip
to
thing.
be popcorn chicken, but
No, I thought that would be popcorn
they're
chicken.
chicken nuggets.
Not chicken nuggets.
Oh, that's them then.
Just chicken strips. I think
Chicken
they've just
strip,
made it up because they hadn't.
I don't know, they probably ain't had the stuff they said and just like gave us random stuff. I mean, I know what you're thinking, a bucket of chicken from Domino's.
For
Like,
free.
what the hell? Yeah, for free, but I mean, Domino's, you think pizza, don't you? Anyway, I'll try one of these first. I was crunchy, not much taste, but I will
How
say
many
the
were there?
chicken's are quite nice.
1, 2.
Quite nice and not sucking it.
Oh, Mum's found more.
I found more, where here. Will you stop pulling stuff out and not let me do me
Well, you
review?
can see then that's the popcorn chicken.
Right, yes, not very, like, tasty, but still it's nice.
So there's about 2, 4, 5 of them.
Perfect done.
Show the chicken nuggets next.
Oh, we've got chicken nuggets. Fair size nugget.
5 of them.
Oh, they're really nice.
No, 6 of them. They're
Right,
all
you
right.
think?
To be honest, I like the ones they do next door. Quite nice, but yeah, they're like the ones they do next door. Seriously, I wonder if they get them from next door. You never know.
Decent size nugget, mind you. I mean, not bad.
Even better as a free lunch.
Yeah, free lunch.
And the thing is as well, there's nothing they can do, because I had it on my phone and the girl tapped the collect and slipped the slider to collect it, so she's done that herself and said that the order's been took and I was collecting it. So it's not my fault, I've had the money back.
They're actually quite nice. Very tasty. I'd say they're better than next door.
And I wasn't going to tap on it and cancel it out in case that was it, and she realised. And what else is in there?
That's the whistle. Got a contact energy drink. Yeah, quite nice.
Oh God.
Alright, so next. Hang on, not sure if you can see that. Couple bits of popcorn chicken. Now, I ain't had popcorn chicken for ages. Like one of my favourite things. Let's dip in. I'm gonna get the nice big bit here. I will say one thing, like the paper that put some of the gear on is quite like greasy.
It's probably to absorb the grease.
So what the bucket we've got is basically a mega combo. Whether that's sort of bucket thing you can get there, or
Yeah.
whether they've just grabbed this bucket and thought like we'll put it in there. I mean, I were expecting a bag, because like good to go bag, not good to go bucket, but hey ho.
But it did say
Anyway,
bucket.
I will try the popcorn chicken now.
I think there's 6 of them as well.
Wow.
Nice bit of spice in there, Marcus.
Lemon
Yeah,
rice.
nice bit of spice on them. Nicely seasoned. But if you can see that, not nice bit of crispiness to it, nice bit of seasoning. Proper nice.
Well, there's lemon and pepper. Lemon, whatever
Yeah,
it's called.
pepper and lemon. Wow.
So I don't know how much that would be normally, but would have
How much did you
been
pay?
€4.90,
Right, well,
but we paid nothing.
being as it were my money that put towards it, I'm having all this.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not,
No, you're
because
not.
it's not cost you out, so
Okay.
it's dinner. Which means that we can maybe
Right,
get
so,
something else later on.
Starting off with the chicken strips. Not too bad, just chicken strips really. Not too special, not much taste to them. The chicken nuggets, which Mike's nicking another one. Yeah, chicken nuggets are quite nice. Probably better than McDonald's, I'd say. Popcorn chicken, that's my favourite, because the spice just, wow, that adds that flavour to it. So, to be fair, for the palaver we've had with it, probably not really the problem. I generally don't know what's happened, whether the order were cancelled, because I thought they hadn't got much food, or whether that's just a general glitch in the system or
You gotta
something.
work it out, as it costs $4.99 really.
$4.90?
$4.90.
No, it's cost naffle.
Yeah, but you got to work it as it costs. That's what it would have cost.
I mean, I've never been to Domino, so I can't really say how much that probably costs, but I mean, for the combo bucket with a few bits of chicken, my lucky guess, I'll probably say maybe like €5, maybe €6 at the most.
Probably about $8.99.
$8.99. Yeah,
Yes.
I don't know. I mean, there's not
$9.99.
much chicken in it.
$9.99.
You probably know, because you've seen the price. Not much chicken in it, but still it's nice. I
A
mean,
bit of
yeah.
that.
Was it more than enough than if you was just paying for yourself?
Oh, mine.
You can have a rest, mate.
I mean, if you were on your own, not probably more than enough, but 3 of us, not enough to be honest, but still, what we paid for it for free, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I'm only giving it that because, as I said, there were a bit of like a palaver, a piss about with it, but once it were all sorted, happy days. Oh.
Okay guys, I'd definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Free food, you can't beat it, can you? Gotta be a 10 out of 10. It was edible. Yeah, thumbs up for me. 10 out of 10.
And we are now left with, I don't know, Popeyes. That's expensive, $6.99. I'm bothering Popeyes then.
Come on then, sir.
What you going to rate it?
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Free food, you can't top it.
So, yeah, I'm going to finish off. We could possibly be doing another one soon. I mean, we've got the money back that we're meant to go towards this, so who knows?
Maybe we might have the Oreo Pintos tonight.
Oh, Oreo Pintos. The hell? Someone having up some sort of bike.
They're like
Anyway,
crackers.
so it's not bad. I recommend it if you are here in Benidorm. If you got a bit of a budget, get yourself on to Good To Go app, because you never know what you're going to find. See you in the next one.